At number 3, we have the Greenworks 2100 PSI. The Greenworks 2100 PSI delivers impressive cleaning power with its 14-amp universal motor, producing 2100 PSI at 1.2 gallons per minute for effective medium-duty cleaning tasks. The unit features a total stop system that automatically shuts off the motor when the trigger is released, protecting the pump from overheating. Built with durability in mind, it comes with a metal spray gun, 25-foot kink-resistant rubber hose, and 4 quick-connect spray nozzles including turbo, soap, 25-degree, and 40-degree tips. The pressure washer incorporates practical features like 10-inch never-flat wheels, an integrated soap tank, and convenient onboard storage for accessories. Safety features include an inline GFCI and waterproof power plug with IPX5 water resistance. The 35-foot power cord provides excellent reach, while the push-button start ensures reliable operation. A 3-year warranty backs the build quality of this electric pressure washer.